there, it's Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States, right at ohyourlovely.com. Go check it out, but wait, don't yet. Wait till the end, because I have something for you, but you gotta wait till the end. It's like dessert, I don't know, whatever. Any hoosies, it's another Meet the Flower. So let's jump into it. Alright, you guys, welcome back to another Meet the Flower, and today's flower it's a pretty special one. It's named after one of my kiddos. It is the one, the only, Miss Ivy. Oh, the lovely Miss Ivy. Yes, Miss Ivy is named after my youngest daughter, who's Ivy, but we've called her Miss Ivy her entire life. That girl is a firecracker. Miss Ivy, the flower, comes in two different sizes. I believe I have in my hand all 2.5 inch, but she also comes in a 3-inch size. This is a fan favorite again too. It's just a really pretty, lots of ruffly kind of petals. These do really well also as faux succulents. So keep that in mind too. And let's jump into it. All right, so Miss Ivy as a succulent. I've already started the process, but what I'm doing is I'm using green tea from Crema Coat. I'm going straight in with it not being watered down, and I'm scrubbing in to these little like folded petals. I'm going to try to get most of them. I might miss a couple. It's going to be okay if I do. But again, we're just scrubbing it down into that little pocket. And this is really kind of cool on its own. You could then take a little bit of water and diffuse it and spray it down. But I want a two-toned succulent. And we're gonna play with some fun colors and do kind of a unicorn succulent. So I'm feeling good about that. Oh my gosh, see how pretty that is as is? Kind of wanna diffuse it just so you can see, but I'm not going to. I'm gonna hold it together. So I'm gonna take this Castilian Pink, I think is it, from Bear. So this is, I used craft acrylic paint for the green, and I'm using latex paint for the pink. Okay, so it covers everything at first. So don't freak out when that happens. Now get your handy dandy spray bottle. This does have glycerin in it, but you could do this just with water. It doesn't have to have the glycerin in that mixture. It's just what I have on hand at the moment. So I'm going to really spray that down to get that green to start poking through. And I might grab my brush and try to coax it along a little bit, scrub some of that to come out into this. Oh my gosh, look how much fun this is. It's giving me this like lovely dimension, not like super hard, harsh lines in your face, but just making a really fun pop of color kind of flower slash succulent. This also gives me a dahlia vibe. Certain dahlias kind of have that look to them, so you can get away with using Miss Ivy for a dahlia as well. Especially the 3-inch one would be a great size to use for that kind of flower. All right, that's great. We're gonna set it aside to let it dry. Let me clean up my hands. And Miss Ivy, I love all on her own. So let's just dye one straight so you can kind of see what that looks like. I'm gonna use this flower pot, again from Bear. It's just kind of like a terracotta kind of pinky color. Look how much fun that is. Just, even without any additional colors, it just gives so much dimension. I love it. All right, and now let's go in on that light pink. And I think we're gonna do the orange next, actually. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna twirl it on its side to pick up some paint. Now you could wait until this is fully dry so you have a much more like two-toned, but all this is doing, I don't know if you can tell, It's not doing a ton because these colors are very close, but it is giving a little bit of a darker edge around here and the lighter in there. So it'll be really fun to see what that looks like when it fully dries. There you have it, the lovely Miss Ivy, named after my lovely daughter. I love that flower so much. And so do you guys, from what we can tell. So, if you want to check out Miss Ivy or the other 150 style flowers we have, make sure to go to ohyourelovely.com. But before you scoop, just wait. Use the code YouTube30 to get 30% off your first order. I just realized I have paint on my glasses. It's fine. We're fine. What do I want to say? Oh, if you're liking these videos, can't get enough, want to know when the next one goes live, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. These particular Meet the Flower tutorials, once a week. We'll have these introductions, words, once a week, as well as our normal craft tutorials, also once a week. Those go live on Wednesdays. These, as I'm filming, not sure yet what day will be its favorite day, but it'll go out at least once a week. All right, you guys, have a lovely day. I'll see you next week for another Meet the Flower. I'm Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye, guys.